Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Tonight we're craving Subway sandwich. This is Subway turkey, Subway ham. We're craving. And we have here, this is turkey sandwich with all kinds of vegetables with turkey. The other one is ham. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. We have Subway sandwich, guys. We're hungry and easy to eat. No more cooking this time. So, just Subway. Here they are. Welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Subway with tomatoes, garlic, spinach, onions, olive, guys. Cheese, cheddar cheese. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Here we go. Subway sandwich. Alright, see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching, guys.